So for this quick demonstration, what we're going to do is we're going to import the Binubuo library. We're going to set up our connection with our API key. And then if you remember from the last entry, what we did was we had a schema of data. So for that, we're going to just see how the client can create that data directly from the command line. So we can use the generate function, and here we're creating a country. We will create a person's first name, and as you can see, it's very easy just to basically use the different data domains and functions to get any kind of random data that you need in your synthetic data. And so now that we've created everything, we can see that it's easy to generate them individually, but what we really want is we want to create it as a data set, like a ready steady set. So what you can see here is list data sets, which lists all the data set. And from the last time, we created the customer data set, which is basically all of these individual functions tied together. So instead of calling generate, we're just going to call the dataset function instead, which will give us all the data as a row-based output. As you can see here, we've limited the rows to 3 just to don't flood the screen. Now, let's say I was in China instead, and I wanted it in Chinese instead. So Binubuo supports locale specific generation. So now we're just going to set the data set to Chinese, and then we're going to rerun the same command again. And what you're going to see is that all the data is going to be in Chinese characters instead. That's how easy it is. Tons of synthetic data, very easily.